My name's Troy Ackerman. The car's a 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 8 RS. Fastest Evo in Minnesota, just went a little bit quicker finally. Block is a 2-liter aluminum rod, full fill. Precision Race Engines did the machine work on that, and I did the assembly of it. It's from the aluminum rod, standard 150 millimeter. MadFab out of Fargo did the turbo kit and everything on there, and the Precision 76 millimeter turbo. It's a tune on an AEM Infinity by Boostin Performance. I went down there 3 weeks ago to Chicago to have them do the car. Made 938 on their Mustang dyno to the wheels. Yeah, it's usually how much it weighs, because there's just basically a shell of it outside. If you look inside, there's not much left in there. And right now, this year is 2530 with me in it, and I weigh about 190. So, or if it's sitting here idling, a lot of people come up because the different smell of fuel, and so it's on 1 ethanol R. Turns a lot of heads, especially at the muscle car event every now and then you go to, because they don't expect it to go fast like that. And then you go out there and they're like, oh, what's in this thing? How are you doing that? What do you mean it's 122 cubic inches? Yeah. Fastest pass so far was 2 weeks ago. I went 877 at 170 miles an hour. I mean, if I can run an 850, that'd be awesome, but we'll see where it goes. I'd like to go 175, but I don't want to turn the boost up that far. Maybe the last pass tomorrow. This morning, first pass off the trailer went 879 at 169, and then I've been trying little things here and there to try to pick up a little time where I can. And we turned it up a little bit to see if I can beat him here, so let's hope it happens. Me and Kyle here, that's my friend from Fargo, we're gonna be racing next. Hopefully we can make it to tomorrow. We went 902 at 168. I kind of had a bad 60-foot on that. I bogged a little bit and rolled the clutch out a little bit. But tomorrow, if I can knock that 60-foot down, and everything else seemed to be where it's at, see if we can go some rounds tomorrow. A few hundred RPM can vary from blowing the tires off to bogging, kind of like that one did there a little bit. And you know, you run a little bit too much boost and on the analog and stuff like that. And I mean, it's a big turbo and a small engine. It's hard to find that sweet spot. Once you dial that in, that's where a lot of your time is going to be made up on these manual cars. Yeah, so we just got done with the first round of qualifying, and fastest Evo in Minnesota, just went a little bit quicker finally. It went 872 at 165. We had to wait for the fog a little bit. It was crazy. I woke up this morning like, oh man, but so yeah, the sun's out now. The track should get a little bit stickier, so we'll see if it can hook up a little bit better. Spun first, but I'm excited to try to go even quicker now. So I hope I can go quicker in eliminations. Wade right behind me, like we've been leapfrogging all week, and I went 879 and he went my personal best before was an 877. And he came out 876. You're like, all right, cool. So then I did that one and went back ahead of him. He's like, oh man, I'm not gonna be able to beat him now. And he goes up 870. So between me and Wade, it's gonna be, hopefully we can hold it together and see a final of that. That'd be a good race. Yeah. That was what I wanted to see this whole time here. Went on 850, 168. Got my best 60-foot ever, 140.
Let's see it.
Right there. You know, not bad. And then there's Wade's pass, I guess. It's right there. I think I have to know that. I didn't think it was going to start, so it started with spinning. I'm like, oh no.